Hey guys, welcome to Unlimited Health. Let's check out this new video from SMG4. It's called Mario Screws in a Light Bulb. What does that mean? What does that mean? If he's gonna screw in a light bulb and everything is gonna go chaotic. And this time you have these other Mario characters with no mustache and they look like anime characters. So I don't know. Let's just react to it, okay? Let's just react to it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Is this an advertisement?
Oh, hey guys!
Shit.
If you haven't heard yet, we have released
What the fuck?
animated figurines. First, you got your
Okay.
SMG4, and you
Okay.
also got a special skin lawyer.
No mustache, no more. Really?
For those of you who watched the Losu arc and Wattfree 2022, there's only 3 days left to get 15% off. So quickly go
I like
right
it.
now at sg4.store.
It's not
And
bad.
We're gonna go to the video now.
I like it.
Woo!
Let's go.
This is so nice.
Okay. SMG4. Oh, look at how he's playing. Look at how he's playing that. You're getting angry. Shit. Oh shit. You broke the bulb. Fuck.
Mario!
Eto, tutto lavato, l'abito.
Okay. Mario will fix me.
Ah,
Put
no.
me down, you idiot. Oh god. Okay. Light bulb. Oh. Keep it up there. Screw it. Oh, what?
I did it.
You stupid.
Well, thank God I have a spare.
Throw that too. Shit. What the fuck? What is wrong with you, Mario?
What did SMG4
It's
doing?
okay.
Ooh.
You want Mario to hold this
Just
ladder?
hold this totem.
Hold this toad and we can all go home. Don't ignore me. The counselor says we're meant to
No,
talk.
No, things are gonna end up on fire if you do anything. So please
Oh.
just stand there and be useless.
Useless?
Mamma mia.
Mario will show you useless. Ugh.
So long, Toad.
Fuck. Oh,
Oh, keep it still, Toad.
he's actually talking.
So this is how I die.
So this is how I die. I can't stand still and hold something. Shit! You did something? You doing something? Don't let go of that ladder, goddammit. It's almost like it's going up to the sky. What? What? That ass! What are you doing? What the fuck?
My name is Cleveland Brown. My name is Cleveland.
Oh no!
God damn it, hold it still.
My name is
What are you doing? You're trying to shake his ass? What is this?
Okie
What the
dokie.
fuck?
Easy for me.
Mario can do this. Just go to meditate like Luigi taught me. Okay. Oh, in your mind it's all chaotic. Shit. Tranquility acquired. Okay. Yeah, put that shit.
Ah,
Put that shit on.
ah.
Fuck.
Hey, Mario, hold it still.
Oh, he's kicking him. You little shit. Okay. Oh no. That's what he had in there? What's going on? Holy shit. This is so funny. This shit is so funny, dude. Oh my god. You're hitting him with that? Oh shit.
Well done.
That is hilarious. I love that.
Well, that was the only ladder we had.
That's the only ladder we had.
Thinking now.
Mario has an idea. Oh, what? What the fuck is that? Oh my god. You can't, no matter what happens, you can't fix it. This is ridiculous. I'm in danger.
Shoot it down.
Spider pig, spider pig.
Holy shit, this is the most funniest shit I've seen in a long time on SMG4. The most funniest shit ever. This is so funny. Oh, this is like getting over it. that game, you know? Fire flowers. Okay.
I gotta do it, man.
Okay. Fire flowers. God damn it. No! Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Time to die.
Time to die. Oh no.
Hey, what the hell is wrong with you?
The princess is mad. Okay. Time to fix it. Come on.
It's no use, Mario.
It's no
Doesn't look
use.
like we can fix the light bulb.
Doesn't look like we can fix the light
Mamma
bulb.
mia.
Could break the laws of physics. Okay. Do what? You break every second. Cameraman. Cameraman. Oh, gravity
What are
gun.
you doing? What's going on here?
What the hell put me down?
Mario, screw the damn light bulb in!
Screw the damn light bulb. This is so funny. I can't believe it. Yeah, fix it. Your triangle mouth every time. Do it. Light bulb doesn't fit, dumbass. Okay. Really? Really, dude? What is this? It's not working.
What do you mean it's not working?
Eto, sono lavato, l'abito.
Okay.
Force it in.
Just force it in. Oh no! You're shoving it in there. I did it. Turn it on.
There be light.
Oh my god! Whole Earth?
Oh, poop.
Shit! You short circuited it. I think.
I hate that.
Oh god! Those clouds are here.
Can't touch me. Can't touch me.
Oh shit! Oh my god! This is so funny! This is really, really funny, dude. Oh, black and white.
Trolling is called. We do a little trolling.
Okay. A little trolling. Okay. Why is he stuck inside the wall?
I'm a superstar.
Okay. Luigi! Yeah! Oh!
Luigi, we're so happy to see you.
You're so happy to
Just
see
wanted to
you.
replace a light bulb, and now the power's out.
Okay.
Luigi. Come tutto rosso reparo.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
It's super light bulb. Okay. Giant. There's a socket we have to screw that into. Okay. And it's charge the power grid and Kingdom's lights will come back on. Okay.
Wow, it's pretty convenient you had this on you then, huh?
Okay. After all this waiting, it's finally time for
New Super Luigi Mansion 4.
New Super Luigi Mansion 4.
Looks like it's up to us then.
Looks like it's up to us. Okay, do it. What the fuck, dude? What is this game? This video.
Get that mother.
Oh, get that motherfucker. Come on, Mario. Maximum Zuck. Oh shit. Oh, he went in there too, like
Yeah.
piece of cake.
Now you're gonna get it, motherfucker.
Oh, they're all chasing you.
You want Pingus? Enlargement pills?
Pingus! Oh shit! Clown! With pills. They're eating that shit.
Yeah, boy.
Oh shit! Yeah, boy! What do I do? Oh, what is that? Oh no, he's gonna blow up his... Oh, there you go. Bye! Bye! Get the fuck out! Get out!
Defeated now, bitch!
What is he doing? Take that pill. It's like Sensu for Goku. Oh my god, is he growing 10 times bigger? Holy shit! That looks like a giant monster. Holy shit.
Get in my belly!
Oh man. Come on, jump! Get down there, Mario! Come on! Huh? There it is, SMG4. Put that shit in there. Yeah, screw it! That's right! Take that, losers. Okay, what happened? I don't think they even understand what's happening. They just wanted to eat you. Is this something meant to happen?
This was meant to work.
This was meant to work. Fuck! What? Why would you break it?
Stand back. I'm warning ya.
Maximum Zuck.
Error. Cannot suit.
Error. Battery empty. Holy shit.
Oh, you mamma mia.
Maybe we could be friends instead? Ain't no friends. Holy shit. Okay. Oh, he came out. This is the last straw. Tired of. Okay. Hey! Okay. Put him in there. What is he gonna do? He's just a mushroom though.
Mario, I told you already. Toad won't work.
Toad won't work. Okay. Turn it on. Let's see what happens. Oh! Yeah! What? It's like Saiyan stuff. It's like Metal Rock Band. What is going on? Oh shit, lights back. Fuck! That's that dude from Team Fortress 2. They all disappeared. Okay. He's on fire?
I saved the world.
I saved the
Well, that was a
world.
load of shit.
Nice! Awesome. Awesome shit. This is so good. This is probably the funniest I've seen, like, since the I think the last funniest one was when, you know, they all like rap battled in the court. You know, you remember that? You know, that was so good. Like couple weeks ago, couple days ago, or last week, I think. I don't remember, but damn, this is the funniest shit I've seen in a long time to me. Even then, it was not, you know, the videos that I was talking about wasn't as funny as this. This is the real funny shit, you know, epic shit. I love this. Okay, this is awesome. If you like this reaction, please subscribe to my channel, Unlimited Health. And man, I can't wait for the next SMG Mario. I thought like the new Mario without the mustache is gonna be like a wasted opportunity or something. But he actually contributes to the comedy of it. He's like a best friend of the actual Mario, and it's like weird shit. It's so funny. It's actually 10 times more funny than it used to be before. And if this continues, I would be so happy. I would be a huge fan, you know. So yeah, SMG Mario screws in a light bulb. Just a light bulb, screwing in a light bulb. They turned into this epic comedy shit. I love this shit. So yeah, that's it for this reaction. Please subscribe to my channel, Unlimited Health, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.